Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Bedazzler kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to add some sparkle to your life. Whether you're looking to customize your clothes, accessories, or even home decor, this kit offers a fun and creative outlet. With a Bedazzler kit, you can easily transform ordinary items into extraordinary, eye-catching pieces that reflect your unique style and personality. Get ready to dive into the world of dazzling designs. Number 5. Worthofbest Hotfix Rhinestone Setter Kit. Want to add some sparkle to your clothes? This kit makes it easy to bedazzle anything you want. It's perfect for denim, jeans, leather, and more. This starter kit includes a Hotfix pen, various tips, rhinestones in multiple colors and sizes, and all the tools you need. It comes with a convenient zipper bag to keep everything organized. The kit is designed for ease of use, with a color manual, how-to videos, and 24/7 support. You can achieve professional-looking results quickly, making it ideal for crafters and DIY enthusiasts. With this tool, you can bling out a dress in less than an hour. It's a fun and efficient way to add some sparkle to your wardrobe or crafts. The kit includes a variety of rhinestone sizes and colors, including AB crystal and clear. It provides everything you need to create unique and eye-catching designs. What we like? This kit has everything you need to get started right away. It's designed to be super easy to use, with helpful guides and support. If you're a beginner or just want a hassle-free experience, this is the perfect choice. You'll be bedazzling in no time. What people say? Worked great, easy to use, and lots of crystals come with the set. Easy to use. Love it. The applicator was easy to use and my nieces love their embellished denim jackets. Number 4. Hotfix Rhinestones Applicator Bedazzler Kit. This kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with a heat fix pen, multiple tips, and a variety of rhinestones. It's all neatly stored in a convenient zipper pouch. This applicator is designed specifically for fabric and leather. When used with the included Hotfix crystals, it creates a strong, washable bond. This ensures your embellishments stay in place. The kit includes a generous supply of rhinestones in various sizes and colors. You'll receive multiple bags and boxes filled with clear, black, and AB crystals. There's plenty to get you started on your projects. The kit is designed for ease of use, with a color manual and how-to videos available. Support is also provided to help you get started quickly. It's suitable for ages 12 and up. This iron-on rhinestone wand helps you achieve professional-looking results. It's a valuable tool for crafters, designers, and anyone who loves DIY projects. It makes your creations look amazing. What we like? This kit is specifically designed for fabric and leather projects. It creates a durable, washable bond, ensuring your designs last. If you're working on clothing, accessories, or other fabric-based crafts, this is the ideal kit for you. It's perfect for adding a touch of sparkle that lasts. What people say? Worked great and I saved some $. The Bedazzler Kit with Hotfix Rhinestones Applicator Tool is a comprehensive set for adding sparkle to a variety of materials. It includes 5,200 Hotfix rhinestones and a tool gun that makes applying the crystals to clothing, fabric, wood, leather, and paper straightforward and efficient. The Hotfix technology ensures a strong bond between the rhinestones and the surface, providing a durable and professional finish. The kit is versatile and user-friendly, making it a great choice for both crafting enthusiasts and those looking to customize their wardrobe or home decor with ease. Although the process of adhering the rhinestones is slow, the results are really nice. I decided to use a timer to ensure I was melting the glue into the fabric, hoping the stones will adhere through many washings. Number 3. Hotfix Rhinestones Applicator Bedazzler Kit. Want to add some sparkle to your crafts? This tool makes it easy to apply rhinestones. It's a breeze to add sparkling embellishments to your projects. Get professional-looking results every time with this Hotfix tool. It allows for precise placement of rhinestones. You'll love how easy it is to use. This rhinestone applicator works on many materials. You can use it on fabric, paper, leather, and more. Unleash your creativity on various projects. The Hotfix applicator ensures your creations stay intact. It delivers long-lasting and secure adhesion of rhinestones. Enjoy your sparkling projects for a long time. Your investment is protected with a lifetime warranty. Enjoy peace of mind knowing this tool is built to last. It's a great addition to any crafter's collection. What we like. This applicator offers precise placement on various materials. It delivers long-lasting results, ensuring your creations stay intact. If you enjoy crafting on different surfaces and want professional-looking results, this is the tool for you. What people say. Worked great and I saved some $. The Bedazzler Kit with Hotfix Rhinestones applicator tool is a comprehensive set for adding sparkle to a variety of materials. It includes 5,200 Hotfix rhinestones and a tool gun that makes applying the crystals to clothing, fabric, wood, leather, and paper straightforward and efficient. The Hotfix technology ensures a strong bond between the rhinestones and the surface, providing a durable and professional finish. The kit is versatile and user-friendly, making it a great choice for both crafting enthusiasts and those looking to customize their wardrobe or home decor with ease. Although the process of adhering the rhinestones is slow, the results are really nice. Number 2. Hotfix Applicator Kit with Rhinestones. This kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with a heat-fixed diamond wand, multiple tips, and a variety of rhinestone sizes. Everything is neatly stored in a zipper pouch. This tool is perfect for fabrics and leather. When used with iron-on rhinestones, it creates a strong, washable bond. This ensures your embellishments will last. The kit includes a large assortment of rhinestones. You'll receive various colors and sizes, perfect for any project. It has everything you need to start creating. The kit is designed for ease of use. It comes with a color manual, how-to videos, and 24/7 support. It's suitable for users aged 12 and up. This tool helps you achieve professional results. It's a valuable tool for crafters and DIY enthusiasts. You can create stunning designs with ease. What we like. This kit is also designed for fabric and leather, offering a durable and washable bond. It's easy to use, with all the essentials included. If you're looking for a reliable kit for your fabric and leather projects, this is a great option. It provides everything you need for lasting embellishments. What people say. Everything works great. Really good quality. This kit is perfect for a beginner or seasoned crafter. I enjoyed using this new style of bedazzler. Much better results than the old version, with rhinestone studs. The glue seems to be holding very well. In fact, I tried to remove a stud, just to see what it took for one to come off, and it would not budge. Number 1. Hotfix Rhinestones Applicator Kit with 8,600 crystals. This kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with a heat fix setter, multiple tips, a variety of rhinestone sizes, and all the necessary accessories. It's all neatly organized in a portable case. This tool is specifically designed for use on fabric and leather. When used with iron-on rhinestones, it creates a strong, permanent bond. This ensures your embellishments will last through washes. Looking for a gift for a creative friend or family member? This kit is perfect. It's suitable for anyone who enjoys adding sparkle to their clothes, and it comes in a convenient carrying case. The kit is designed for ease of use, even for beginners. It includes a color manual, how-to videos, and 24/7 support to help you get started quickly. You'll be bedazzling in no time. This hot gem setter is designed to provide professional-looking results. Whether you're a crafter, designer, or DIY enthusiast, it's a valuable tool for adding a touch of glamour to your projects. It helps you achieve stunning results. We like. This kit comes in a portable case, making it a fantastic gift. It's easy to use and includes everything needed for bedazzling. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a crafty friend or family member, this is the perfect choice. They'll love the convenience and the beautiful results. What people say. So easy to use. Lots of colored rhinestones. The Hotfix gun and gemstones, they are fantastic. The stones are vibrant and this setup gets you so much variety. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.